Hello there, beautiful person. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Stephany. For today's video, I have an unboxing for you guys. So this is for my Gucci purse. So I wanted to do an unboxing of my Gucci Marmont bag. This is the Minnie. So I haven't had much time to kind of play with it, take it out of its box really. I haven't used it either, so I wanted to kind of take it out and, you know, kind of display it in my room because I know we're not going anywhere right now, but just so you know, when I look at it, it brings a smile to my face because this is one of the 3 purses that are like my dream bags. So I thought I would go ahead and display it in my room. So let's get into this unboxing. So it is in the green box, because I got it for Christmas, like around Christmas time. So it is in the green box. It's not in the traditional like white and black Gucci box. This is my Gucci belt, but it's not in the white and black box. I did get a white and black bag though, and then, you know, it's pretty much the same. It has a little flap. You kind of open it up, and then this is the inside. So you have really cute paper. So here is the paper. Because it was a gift, it has a little Gucci sticker right there. And then here is the bag. So it has the little, what is this called? The dust bag. It has the dust bag. So it's very, very cute. The belt has a dust bag as well, by the way. And then here is my baby. So here's the bag. It is so, so pretty. I wanted the Minnie because I'm a small person. I'm like 4'10" on a good day. So I wanted a bag that wasn't too big on me, because that's my problem with bags. They tend to look big on me because I'm a small person. So I thought this would be the perfect size, just so I could fit everything in it and it wouldn't look too large, because I was gonna go for the small at first, but when I went into the store to kind of see the bags, I was like, yeah, I need to do the Minnie so it doesn't look so big. But like I said, if I ever want a bigger bag, I would go one size up and I would purchase a small one. But this is it. It is so cute. Like, I don't know, I just feel like this just screams like classy and, you know, sophisticated, very chic. So I just love this bag. So here it is. Here's a little detailing. It has a classic GG, and then I don't know, I just love the way that this bag looks. And in the back it has a little heart. So I wanted this shape because I really love the way that the flap looks. It's so cute. I don't know, I just feel like it looks classier, because I know they have the version without the flap and it's kind of like a zipper, but I just really liked this version because I felt like, you know, you could kind of dress this one up or dress it down, versus the other one I feel like is a little bit more on the casual side. So it's really cute. So here's the chain. It's just a gold chain, and you know, you can use it as a crossbody or you could wear it as a shoulder bag. The only thing is that as a shoulder bag, I feel like over time it would kind of bother your shoulder because it doesn't have like this leather to kind of keep it still. I feel like you would have to put it on top of the leather, and I don't know if that's going to cause wear and tear over time. Do you know what I mean? I feel like it would get annoying, or like it would cause like an indent in your skin if you're like wearing it like on your shoulder like this. So there's that, but it is really cute. I'm personally going to use it as a crossbody, so yeah. But I mean, I feel like it would be okay if you were just wearing something like with the sleeve on it, but if you were wearing something sleeveless, I feel like that could probably be an issue. So yeah, and it's just really easy to transition from like crossbody to handbag, so it's really nice in that sense. I feel like if you're going to put it in the dust bag though, you have to be careful with the chain because this leather is really delicate. So that is another thing. So to open it, there's this little button under here. You kind of just click it in and then it just unbuckles. So there is a little clasp there. and then you press the button and it goes up. I feel like if you have long nails, that could be a problem too, like if you're in a hurry and you accidentally like scratch the bag, so careful. And then here's the inside of the bag. So I still have the stuffing in it because, like I said, I haven't really played with it. Oh, it smells like leather. Okay, so here's the inside of the bag. It's like a nice tan color. It has like nice suede. So there is the inside, and here is the logo there, as you can see. And then it has like a small pocket here for your phone, or maybe your hair ties or your keys, and then it's just on the inside. And then I think the serial number is on the side over here. Yeah, the serial number and stuff, I guess for authenticity, is in this corner over here. And then I have this little, oh, and then there's this little card here. So yeah, that is the bag, you guys. If you guys want to know like what I keep in it, like what I have in my purse kind of a video, please let me know. I feel like that would be so much fun to do. But yeah, I love it. It's literally smells like leather. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. Yeah, and I wanted it to match my belt because I feel like it looks so cute. And then like with the dress, it would just tie everything in just really nicely. If you guys want to see how I style it or just what's in my purse, please let me know down below. I would love to film that for you guys. If you liked this video, please give it a thumb up. If you enjoyed me, please consider subscribing down below. I would love to have you and your amazingness here on my channel. So I really do hope I get to see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful person.
Drunk. I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds.